How to fix Nectar app won't let you log in. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check your credentials, if your account's credentials are correct or not. After you check that, you can try to log in. If this solution doesn't work for you, you can apply next solution. For that, launch your settings. Now click on the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, you close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app. After app appears at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Next solution, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Now here you're gonna find different apps that are installed in your device. Find the app Nectar. After you find it, open it. Now click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Offloading app clears cache by the app. Click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply next solution. That is, you'll need to delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. You'll get the pop-up. Click on Delete. The app will be deleted. Then we can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app and install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Nectar app won't let you log in. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.